Hi, boys and girls. In Writer's Workshop this week, you're going to be learning about writing your opinion. You might be wondering, what's an opinion? Let's find out. An opinion is when you give your opinion, you are telling others what you think or how you feel about something. Are you ready to play a game? This game is called Fact or Opinion. You are going to tell your partner if this statement is a fact or an opinion. Then you can decide if you agree with each other. You can also play this game by yourself if you can't find a partner. Here we go. Let's do a practice one. There are 12 months in a year. Is that a fact or is that an opinion? Well, I know it's true that there's 12 months in a year, so I think that's a fact. Do you guys agree or do you disagree? It was a fact. Are you ready to play? Here we go. Pizza is better than hamburgers. Is that a fact or is that your opinion? It's an opinion. That's how you feel about pizza or how someone feels. Here we go. Roses, daisies, and tulips are types of flowers. Is that a fact or is that your opinion? It's a fact. Computers are very helpful and fun. Is that a fact or is that someone's opinion? It's an opinion. Flowers are beautiful. Is that a fact or is that someone's opinion? It's an opinion. Someone thinks flowers are beautiful, but not everyone thinks flowers are beautiful, so it's an opinion. Apple pie is the best dessert. Is that a fact or an opinion? That's an opinion. Football and basketball are both sports. Is that a fact or an opinion? That's a fact. That's true. They're both sports. Winter is the best season. Is that a fact or an opinion? That's an opinion. Someone thinks winter's the best season, but I think fall's the best season, so it's someone's opinion. Now what you're going to do is get on Seesaw, tell your teacher what is an opinion. If you're still watching this, I want you to give your teacher a big hug. Can't wait to watch your Seesaw videos.